Let's do a little hair care routine. First up, we got our Olaplex number 9. It's a leave-in serum for pollution and heat protection. I'm just gonna start with about that much. A little bit more. Next, we have the number 6. It's supposed to be a 72-hour frizz control, as well as it's supposed to help with a faster blow dry. Might be a little bit too much. Ooh, this one smells so good. And this is why I have to start taking better care of my hair. Third step, we have the number 7 bonding oil to add a little bit of shine. Hair oil kind of scares me a little bit, so hopefully I don't put too much in. And a little bit more. Just brush all of that through. I actually just got this new Tideway hair dryer. This thing's so pretty. I have the titanium edition. Comes with a few different settings. I know it has like a cold, a warm, a hot, and a cold and warm setting. It also has this magnetic little hair filter, so instead of your hair getting sucked through the back, it's at the bottom. And it also comes with this magnetic attachment, which is super cool. So let's see how well this works out. I'm going to fast forward this so you don't have to deal with it, but let's see how long it takes to blow dry my hair. That was so fast. I started at 8:41 and is now 8:46. This is easily the best and the fastest blow dryer I have ever owned. I cannot believe how fast my hair just dried. That's freaking insane. I will link it below for you because if you blow dry your hair a lot, this definitely is a must-have.